Assalomu alaykum hammaga hurmatli do'stlar. Bu sizlar bilan men Dallas yangiliklari va yana biz qaytdik. Xo'sh, yana aktiv bo'lamiz. Like iltimos sizlarga rahmat. Xo'sh, qaydan ochiladi endi? Shu akkauntimda yangilanishlar bo'ldi, mana ko'rishlaringiz mumkin. Deklikchi. Bekliyoruz. Bugün yapıyoruz. Hoş. Oynalıkçı kim bilen ekan bu? Aytgancha Jahon chempionati boshlandi. O'zbekiston chiqib ketdi Jahon chempionatiga. Saralash bosqichiga chiqolmadi. Williams.
Moving down the flanks here. Good defending there. A wasted chance there. A poor cross. That's well out by the defence. The first half is over 2-0 the scoreline. But there'll be plenty of twists and turns. It's the second half. They're losing. Can they turn it around? The passing has been pretty poor today.
Yine boshladığım aktifimiz. Oltalak hamda kitobunu açıp. Yok penalty. O ana kızım. Evet. Şuttan sasam like basaslar. İyi. Gol mu? Gol. İyi. Olmadı mı? Williams. Faqat ikki yaptı. Sizlargacha hamma mening mahallada hamma PUBG degan hamma dalasa cho'kib ketdi. Hammaga rahmat shunchalik obuna bo'lib turganlarga. 30 obuna va'da beraman dedim. Ve şuna kumlar Wi-Fi'de pul yok oldu. Şunun çıkaralım kaldım. Hoş, orada kasete koyalım. Hoş, gitti. Yani gitti yine hücum gitti yine. Semeniyor. Kulağı kadar. Gol. İyi offside. Lekin juda chiroyli gol bo'ldi. Xo'sh. Kudus. Yana bitta qizil kartali futbolchini oldim. Kubo deganini. Keyin yana hozir 1 soatlar bo'ldi. Dokuni oldim. Bu hozir sizlar bilan mencha 0 dan kuchaytiryapmiz. Ronaldo'ni ham olganini ko'rsatmaganman aytgan sizlarga. Ronaldo'ni ham olganman. Xo'sh. Shu 0 dan kuchaytiryapmiz akkauntlarni. Golmi? Ya. Gol bas do'stlar. Chegov olaylik. Montaj qilmayman men. Shu gol bo'lsa, shunaqa bo'lsa, bo'lmayapti-yu. Kurz. Penalti qilsa faqat. Ye. Va ana full time yutqazdim do'stlar. Bitta gol urganimga ham rahmat. Poshidan o'ynayman. Lekin nega o'ynashim kerak? Aytgancha, mayda do'stlar, shu narsalar bor ekan. Hozir men nimadir ham qo'ydim. Shuni yozib ko'raychi. Ok. Mario. Короче, hech bola bo'lmadi. Shuning uchun birga bir bosaram. Давайте 777 ko'raychi. Mana shunaqa. Kommentga давайте. Xo'sh, ish ko'rsatsa bilan. Mana do'stlar, mening yuzim. Xo'sh. Mana Riya degan ekan. Mana bitta qo'yib qo'yaman.
Everyone's hopeful for a good game today.
O bitta ikkinchi nimani to'sib turadi.
It's the good old 4-4-2
Assalomu
formation
alaykum,
today.
deb so'rashtiramiz endi.
Quite a strike partnership.
Riya o'ziga ekan bu. O'sha Real ko'pchilik o'qimagan endi Real.
Safety first.
Bono. Shu gol ketsa
Shaky
yomon
drives
bo'latar
forward.
ekan. Xo'sh.
Oh, that's well played.
Did
Really well there.
Do'stlar, kamerani o'chiryapman, xalaq beryapti chunki.
Coleman has it.
Xo'sh, o'chirib qo'ying kamerani.
The defender could be in trouble here.
Okay.
He's shaping to shoot.
Riya.
The shot's on.
Few
Few fancy them to win today, but they've taken the lead with that goal.
Come on.
Here's a
Oh my
replay
god,
of that
come
great goal.
on. Yes. Ozon stick var. Try to play sticker.
Played down the wing.
Get another finish.
He's waiting to pull the trigger.
Gol qaranglar.
That's how it's done. Great composure from this player. Is that goal just the start of many?
Shunchaki easy bo'ldi.
Well, let's have a look at that one again.
Easy deb qo'yamiz shunchaki. Bos endi. Do'stlar, kommentga yozinglar kim bilan birga bir o'ynayib, hamda raqamni ham yozib qo'yinglar. Berilgan sanasini hamda soatini o'shanga qarab men ham yo'l tutaman. Shuning uchun birga birda ehtiyot bo'lib turasizlar menga. Kukarellami shunaqa bo'ladi. Urenda. Ya uranlikda o'qirdi-a. Qatyaptimi telefon menimcha.
The passing has been so accurate. And he's clear of the defense, but can he finish it? It's
Go.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano
And he's put them in front
Cristiano
here. That was a
Ronaldo.
great play. Will they extend their lead?
Bizga ikkita gol solgan.
That's a goal he'll want to see
O'zbekiston
again and again.
o'yinida.
A short strike from this great player.
Ikkalasi ham bir-biridan chiroyli.
Coleman has it.
Xo'sh. Like bosinglar, kirib olinglar. Bu ham golmi? Ya gol uradi.
Terrific stop by.
Sticker qo'yib turamiz endi. Shunchaki easy bo'lyapti o'yin.
Keep the shot out. Let's take another look.
Xo'sh. Nice pass. Diaz ketdana. Finklab o'tib ketamiz shu kokorellarni.
Diaz with a dribble. The fans want this player to make an appearance.
Yo'q.
And that's a midway point. It's 2-1 and both
Kubon
teams
shu
have
yapti
found the net.
do'stlar.
One team have the advantage.
Da u vikaston
Seems in pain.
o'yiniga.
Let's hope he's not too badly injured.
Xo'sh. Endi reklama bo'lmadi. Assalomu alaykum. Nima o'zga qo'ymayapti?
Well, I want to hang on to this lead and possibly
Do'stlar, sizlarga maslahat, mana 30 satanga hech qachon bosmanglar. Nimaga deganda bu pulli yech ekan. Kartangiz emas endi.
Kubo in possession. Won the ball.
Mana bu. Hozir o'ziga solib qo'yardi. Moran tushir oraya.
One has gone out of play.
Yürü
Time
konuları.
for a fresh player to enter the fray. Time
Hoş.
for a fresh pair of legs here then. There's
Boyun.
activity on the touchline. The subs are eager to get their chance today.
Uzun basır gitti hozir.
Mario Gila.
Uzun basır gidiyor.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
Şap mı bas? Degan savol tug'iladi. Endi atiga 15 minut vaqt bor.
Diaz with a
Shu
shot.
o'yin bo'la
The
xolos
shot was
do'stlar.
high and over the
Diazga
bar.
amalashtiramiz
What
teshib
influence can he
ketganligiga.
have on the pitch? They keep hammering the opposition
Yeah,
in search
yeah,
of more
probably.
goals.
Xo'sh.
Headed upfield. It's opened up.
İyi.
This team
Hadi
look
bir yer
eager for
bunu.
more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them.
London'u.
Long throw there. He's gone for it.
Futbolni qaralar bo'lgan
Brilliant
etgan.
goal.
Xo'sh, 10 deganlar obuna bo'lamiz, 8 deganlar like bosamiz. 10 ta 2 ta obunachi hamda 2 ta yangi obunachi hamda
New players coming on.
xo'sh 10 ta like. Unaqa ko'p so'ramayman.
Norman has it.
Shu hozir 33 bo'linibdi.
Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game. Good tackle by Gila.
Yettinchi.
You can see from the
Hey.
bench, the manager's extremely pleased with his team's
Hozir gol bo'lar.
The fans are on
Yetdimi?
their feet. Oh, and it's in.
Birinchi raqamni Kurtuva.
Close lead here
O'zi bosir ketdi hozir yana.
until full time. Throw in possession.
Shu qilganimni demoqchidim. 75-77. Son piyashmidi hozir Ronaldomi?
Poor pass.
Menga son piyash ekan.
What will he try?
Voy,
But they beat
nima qilyapti? U qana o'ynayapti. Hat-trick qildi.
her with the match ball. A vital goal there. He took his chance at the perfect moment. And the manager's making a change
Bu
here.
o'yin. Endi o'yinni ko'rsatamiz ularga. Telefonni o'zidan-o'z jinni bo'lyapti telefon.
He's moving it around.
Endi so'rash qo'yamiz. Boshqa iloji ham yo'q.
He's headed the ball forward. And he hits
Gol
it.
ana. Ko'ruvchikamdik. So'nggi daqiqada hamda bu o'yin gollarga boy o'yin bo'ldi. 4-3 hisob.
Referee calls time on this friendly. Both teams have been put through their paces and are raring to go.
Komandning yaxshi futbolchi. Bizda oxirgi gol turgan. Kimdir meni bilmayman. Qanday kim tushgan? Omadsizlik ko'ramiz. Paslar tushdi. Pas. Do'stlar, hammaga xayr. Bugun sizlar bilan dalasi yangiliklar